Hey, what's going on, everyone? It is week 14 in our 52 Hikes in 2019 series, and today we are at Rock Creek Falls in the Cherokee National Forest. The hike today is about 5 miles, and we're going about 1,000 feet in elevation. We're hiking up to a waterfall, which is Rock Creek Falls, so I'm pretty excited about it. And if you notice the GoPro on my head, I'm trying something different this week. I'm trying to get a little bit more of an interactive experience so you can see what I see as I go along the trail instead of the GoPro being stuck on my chest. So we'll see how that works out. But we're very excited about the hike today, guys, and we'll see you down the road. So you can see behind me is Rock Creek Falls. It's about 20 feet tall. There is a significant amount of water coming over right now due to all the rain we've been having. And just a note, if you come down to the falls from the trail, it is a pretty steep hike, and the rocks down here by the falls are pretty slippery, so do be careful if you come down here. But we really enjoyed coming down to the falls, and we're gonna finish up the trail, and then we're gonna turn around and head back to the car. So it looks like I was mistaken, and the waterfall we just were at is not Rock Creek Falls. Instead, that right behind me is. It's much, much bigger. It's probably about a 40-foot waterfall. It's got two tiers coming down. You can see the larger tier is a little bit blocked out by the sunlight, but then the lower tier comes down and it's a little bit thinner, but it's a beautiful waterfall. I'm glad we kept hiking on the trail and kept coming up past the original waterfall because there's a lot of wildflowers up here this time of year, and obviously it was nice to get to the actual waterfall. So there it is behind me. It's Rock Creek Falls, guys. Check it out. So we're about to enter the campgrounds again, which means we're almost back to the car. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up the hike right here. If I had one word for today's hike, that word would be beautiful. Spring is finally coming to the mountains, and although the hikes that we've done up until this point have been fun, they haven't been the prettiest hikes. The trees have been barren, everything's been pretty gray in the forest, but spring is definitely here. There's flowers everywhere, and leaves are starting to bud on the trees, and everything is starting to look really pretty. I can't wait to see how it looks in about a month when everything's gonna be absolutely astonishing. And if we could learn one thing from this hike, it always seems like we're learning something from the hikes, but that would be to explore. Because I thought that we were at the right waterfall, but I was wrong. We had to go up the trail about another half mile, and then we got to the actual Rock Creek Falls, which is what we came to see today, guys. But that's pretty much the only thing that I have to say about the hike. I'm gonna keep it short. I sure hope that the GoPro footage looks good, looks better this way, because man, does it look goofy up on my head. But anyway, guys, make sure to keep hiking, stay safe out there, and until next week, we'll see you later. Peace.